How to find TikTok email support help. So if you want to get the TikTok support and help, then first of all you need to open up your TikTok application. So open up your TikTok, and then you can simply go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and now go for the upper right corner, which has that three-bar icon, and then go for settings and privacy. And if you scroll down here, you will have report a problem option. You can go for that, or you can also go for support. You can tap on any one of that and then go for help center, and here you will have your help center. So you can simply choose any one of that topic that you are having a problem with, and it will guide you with some steps. Or you can also go back, and then you can go for report a problem, and from here you can choose the topic in which you are having an issue, and after choosing the topic you can simply submit a report of that problem while giving some screenshots or giving feedback. Or if you don't find your topic here, then you can go for submit a report on the last option, and here you will have report a problem, which is you can simply add your feedback, and then you can add some screenshots and some screen recordings, and then you can tap on submit. So that's it. This is the way to get the support or to report a problem on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.